Hi, myself Avinash. I'll be demonstrating on task 5.1p. In this task, I added Swagger Open API documentation to my robot controller API file, and also I enabled XML documentation commands. So so my controller methods commands can appear inside the Swagger. So I'll show my files I've created. So this is my program.cs for Swagger setup, and this is my robot controller API CS project for enabling XML documentation. And these are my two controllers, map controller.cs and robot controller.cs for adding XML commands to API methods. So first I will start with program.cs. So I've added so at top I have added two using element. The first one is Microsoft.OpenAPI .models, which is used for Swagger API information such as showing title, the version, and the contact details. The second one is system.reflection, which is basically used to find the generated XML file name and automatically. Then here, Bill in the sixth line, it allows the ASP.NET to discover the API endpoints to the Swagger, and it can able to document them. So this line, build a service dot add Swagger gen. This is the main Swagger configuration. So here I set the API title as robot controller API, and I set the version as V1, and description and the contact details. The last two lines is the most important because Swagger reads the XML file, and it display the method summaries by their parameters and the remarks, etc. Then this app.use static files allows the application to use the static files from the this www root folder, and then this app.use Swagger, and it enable the Swagger JSON endpoint, and then this use Swagger UI setup enable the browser based Swagger documentation page, and this and I also injected a custom style sheet from the www root styles folder, and then I'll show my robot controller API .cs project. Here I've generated document file through generate documentation file. This part this part mainly enables the XML documentation generation, and if I build the project in Visual Studio or in .NET, it automatically creates robot controller API.xml. It is not been manually created; it is automatically created when I run in .NET or in VS Code. And then I'll show my robot command control.cs. So here it is a continuation of the mm, same code. So here in post method, I've added XML commands above the API methods. I've added 201 created, and 400 bad request, and 409 conflict. This makes the API easier to understand for user for both users and developers. Next, I'll open mapcontroller.cs. Here also, I added the here also I added the same 204 no content, 400 bad request, and 404 not found. So I'll run the terminal. Now I'll show the terminal. So here, this is the Swagger UI page for my robot controller API. So basically, it shows the API turtle, their version, title, and their version, and their description, and the contact details, all the available endpoints. Here, I can see the maps, the robot command, and their command sets, and the schemas. So next, I'll show my swagger.xml. So here, so this is the generator open API specification file called swagger.json. So basically, it contains the full API documentation in the JSON format, but it includes all the API information, the paths, request bodies, and the response codes. So now I'll explain my controller API.xml. So this is the generator XML document file. It has been generated automatically from the XML commands. Thank you.